Hi everyone, so this is my Arduino project that I'm working on right now. It's called the Mixing Light Lamp. So what it does is it takes in inputs from the environment through photosensors, which have gels on top. So in this case, it's green, blue, and red. It brings it all the way to the Arduino to process, and then after it processes in the Arduino, it brings it back to this multicolor LED, which gives out a light, depending on the inputs that it received. So basically, I'll post the code, what I use to be able to get this to work in a while. But what's interesting is that if you cover one, you can slightly see the difference, and I'll explain to you how I was, thinking about this in a while. But if you color one of these, you can see that the color sort of like changes a little bit. So one of the biggest problems I had when I was doing this was asking, why is it that it's still very reddish and bluish even after I covered one of the lights, and I mean one of the sensors, and I didn't really know the answer, but I actually like asked some students, because if you look at, for example, the serial, which will come right over here in a while, you can see that if you look at it, it's actually relatively constant throughout. Like, if, for example, red, blue, and green are all 500 something. So why is it that, and if, as it goes down, it's all very constant. So why is it that, the red and the blue come out more vividly than the others? And one of the interactive media students from last year said that it was because the colors are quite unreliable because it's a cheap $25 kit. I'm not sure if that's exactly the reason. That might be a reason. But if anybody could give me like a clear idea on why this is the case, that would be really, really cool. So this is my project. It works. And yeah, any help on that issue would be really nice. Thanks.